Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 9 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll in order to find security. Let's tap on it. Then in the right section we have to tap on more settings and tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see at the bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on delete all credentials and tap on delete. And we did not have any kind of information, unfortunately. Usually we will receive the info right here, but no worries, for sure you just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.